Dr. Sai Krishna, heading the Department of Anesthesia and Critical Care in Apollo Hospitals, Kakinada. On the occasion of World Anesthesia Day being celebrated on 16th October, I would like to give a small message to the general public. Anesthesia is a specialized branch in medicine, which is comparatively a newer branch, which deals with anesthesia, critical care and pain management. Anesthesia, as you all know, various surgeries require anesthesia, and it's quite challenging because they come with different problems. As the life expectancy has gone up, the complications are also quite high, like patients with post myocardial infarction, post CABG, post cardiac problems, post CVS, they are all quite challenging. We do regularly these kind of cases in Apollo Kakinada. Along with that, we also do complicated neuro tumor surgeries and spinal tumors and various spine surgeries, including spine fixation. We also do minimal invasive and high precision stealth neurosurgery. We are 7 anesthesiologists working 24 hours round the clock in Apollo Kakinada. We take good care of ICUs. We have around 5 ICUs to take care of. Along with that, we do quite a bit of pain management, and our special attention latestly has started towards labor analgesia. That's like giving a normal delivery with less pain. On the occasion of World Anesthesia Day being celebrated on 16th October, I would like to wish all my colleagues and everyone a happy Anesthesia Day.
Wishing all anesthesiologists happy World Anesthesia Day.